Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to understand that how to segregate even and odd values. So this is my input value. Here you can see that 241638873, and after segregation, the output should be like this 248633173. So here ordering doesn't matter at all. Like we are just segregating the value that even value should be in the left side and the odd value should be in the right side. So how we are going to solve this? So we will use the swapping technique here. But after seeing this number, only one thing comes in our mind, that we have to swap the elements, right? So that we will use here. So how we are going to do that? We'll just create two pointers here. So one will be start from left and another one would be start from right. So what we will do, like start would be here, like left would be start from this from 2, and the right would be start from 3. Okay, so how we are going to do that? If we'll divide by 2 and see the remainder, if remainder is 0, then we'll move like left to the next one. Okay, we'll just use the two pointer approach, right? So it will just increase the value. Yeah, again, so firstly it will check, like 2 is remainder is 2 is 0. Yes, it is 0. Then it will move here. 4, what is the remainder of 4? This is also 0. This is fine. Now again it will move to 1. Okay, so what is the reminder here? Is it 0? No, it's not 0. Then again we will go to the right side. Okay, so now here we will check, is 3 reminder of 3 is 0? No, it's not 0. Then it's fine. This is odd number. Again it will check, like if the reminder of 7 is 0. No, it's not 0. Then it's fine. So we will keep as it is. Again we will check, what is the reminder of 8? So it's 0, right? So now what we will do, we'll just swap with 1 with 8 and 8 with 1. We'll swap. Again, like we'll check, like from the left side, is the remainder is 0? Yes. Then this fine, right? It will come to, then left side would be the even number and the right side would be the odd number. So let's go to the code and then we will understand. So what I have done, I have created one number here. You can see the input, and after that I have created one method, segregate odd even, and here I'm passing this number input. Okay, so and here I've created like left, so left will start from 0 and right would be array dot length minus 1. Okay, so this is fine, right? So since array is starting from 0, so like this length minus 1. So now here what we are checking, we are just taking the two pointer approach, the left and right. So left is always less than right, then only we will decide here, we will check, otherwise there is no need to check here, right? Then what we will do, I've just taken this while, so it will it will keep shifting the value. So if it is a reminder is 0, then and left is less than right, then we have to shift the value. Again here also it will do the same thing. After that what we will do, we'll just check here, like if the left is less than right, yes, in that scenario what we will do, we'll just swap the elements, that's all. So I'll just show you in the code. Let's debug the code and then we'll understand that. So what I'll do, I'll put one breakpoint here. I'll just go to the F10. So now left will start from 0 and the right would be, what is the right value? 7. Okay, so now left is 0 and right is 7. So this is fine, right? This condition is matching. Then what we will do, now we will move the left pointer. So it will move two times. So first condition is also matching and the second condition is also matching. So first condition, yeah, see here. Okay, so this is matching. That's the reason it will increment the value. And after that it will again go. Now it will check for 4. Okay, this is also matching. Now it will just again it will do the post increment. Now it will move to the first. We'll check here. So now it is not matching, right? So it will move to the right side. So now right side we will just check what is the value of right. So right value is, you can see here, what is the value of right? 3. 3 is what is the remainder of 3? If we are dividing by 2, so it's not 0, right? So then it's fine. It will again decrease value by 1, and again it will come here, right? It will check for 7. Now 7 is also matching. Then again it will decrease the value. Now it will check for 8. Okay, so 8 is reminder of 8 is 0, right? So in that scenario it will just come out. Okay, now we have to swap the elements, right? Since like we have to swap 1 with 8 and 8 with 1. Okay, so now here what I am doing, if you see here in temp variable, I am just taking that value. So 1 is the value, right? Left side value I'm just taking. So what is the value of left side? So 1 is the left side. Now again I'll shift the position, left with right element, right? So now you can see, I'll show you the array. So now you can see here, so this is 8 and this is also 8, right? So 8 is coming here Now I'll just shift like 1 to 8 here, right? In place of in fifth index, we will just place 1. So how we are going to do that? Just we have to shift the value. Now you can see here, right? 1 has come here and 8 has come here. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm just increase the value. Left will be increased by 1 and right I will decrease by 1. We'll do the same thing until all array is completed. Okay, so I'll put and continue here. We'll see the output. So now you can see the output, right? 2 4 8 6 3 1 7 3. So this is my input and this is my output. Okay, so here the time complexity would be big of n because we have just taken one loop, and the space complexity would be big of 1 because that space is constant, right? Although we have just taken this space left and right, but it's constant irrespective of any value. Okay, I hope you have understand this approach. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.